Hello, welcome back to Sharing with Serena. Today I will show you how to highlight safely at home and of course more tips and tricks to cut your hair at home. Oh, just to let you know, I love my gray and dark hair, but everyone who has dark hair would want to be blonde one time in their life. And I want you to do it safely and not dump all that bleach on your scalp. Oh, maybe that's the reason why my hair is still so thick and healthy. So, what do you do first? Analyze the hair. I have highlighted my hair before in a previous video. So when I bleach my hair, it will still give different shades of blonde, which will look like a highlight. My hair is thick in texture and a lot of it, meaning the bleach can stay on my hair for an hour. If your hair is thin, you must be careful. How to test to see if your hair is healthy? I did 2 tests before the bleach. Test 1 is my regular hair. Notice I pull and stretch. It takes a while to break. Now let's test the gray hair. It doesn't break at all. Whoa, they're very tough hair. Lastly is the blonde hair after the bleaching process. See how fragile it is? It snaps so quickly. You should see a hairdresser. I only want to bleach the top, only the top. And whatever I want to keep, I'm going to section it out. Once you mix the product, you have to work quickly. That is the reason I folded my foil. Many people use hair bleach for this process. I'm doing the same because it's the only way to lift dark hair like mine. Even though I use vegan products, it's always a powder and liquid peroxide. Without some form of liquid peroxide, the hair doesn't lift. You need to pick up about 1/16 or 1/4 of an inch of the hair. If it is too much hair, the bleach won't be able to lift the hair evenly. I have too much hair, so I find divide 2 section on the front is more helpful. If your hair is thin, you can get away with 1 section. Whatever you do, try to work as fast as you can. If you are a bit slow, mix less bleach and peroxide. Then you add more as you finish a section. Right after you're done with the first section, you must immediately set the timer. Then time the second section as you finish so that the whole slicing process can be a good 2 hours. It takes me about 20 minutes to finish my first section, and I save the back section for last because I must use a mirror to see. If you have a partner or a friend to help you with this, it will be easier. Remember to check every 10 to 15 minutes if your hair is thin. Now, do you see why you pay so much to see your hairstylist? They remove all your worries. Not too bad. Remember, it has a different shades of blondes. As long as you get to yellow and past that little red golden stage, your highlight should be fine. I always use this method to bleach my hair so the bleach doesn't harm my scalp. Remember how fragile my hair was after the bleach? Imagine what it will do to your scalp if you leave it for an hour or continue to repeat the process too often. Also, don't paint the bleach too close to the foil. It will cause the bleach to ooze out. And what does that look like? If you slice the foil thin enough and leave some dark hair, it looks like a highlight and very natural. If you don't leave any dark hair, it will look like you bleach your entire hair, like my hair. It's still on the golden side, but that's not bad for doing yourself. And besides, I only be a blonde for a week or two. I will throw a fun color on top of it. So now we're gonna cut the hair. And if you watch my hair videos before, you know what to do. I texturize my hair with a regular scissor this time, but the scissor must be sharp. I'm slicing the hair upward and out in this technique, letting the scissor remove most of the hair. Unlike the other method, I use most of the scissors blades. It will leave your hair wispier. If your scissor is dull, you will feel some pulling, and the scissor will cause a split end. I also texturize again after the blow dry, but make sure there's some conditioner in the hair to make it easier to slide out. How do you know? To texturize some more. If the hair is still heavy and doesn't bend or separate easily, the more you cut your hair, you will notice and feel the hair texture. Not bad. The blonde looked very natural because I previously highlight with color, so the blonde have different shade of blonde. And when you go blonde, don't dry your hair completely. Leave a little damp, spray some kind of oil, especially leave-in conditioner, because the hair is just too frizzy. Allow it to dry and then mold it any way that you want, especially you already texturize it. As I promised, my next video will be nopales, and I will show you how to cook sweet and sour nopale. It goes great with steamed rice, but I'm gonna show you how to fry noodle with it the speediest way. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.